Hello, today I'll show you how to run the check asset tool inside of Maya. For installation, kindly refer the GitHub page. Links are in the description below. So now you can see I have set up a scene file for testing. To launch the tool, kindly click the check asset tool from the Maya shelf. The assets are supposed to be inside of a group. It is a very crucial step. This helps the tool to recognize what all assets it is supposed to look for. So, for example, once you select the top node, check asset, you'll notice bunch of errors inside of the scene. And it is quite easy to find out or trace those errors because this gives you the direct information where exactly or what exactly those assets are, and this can even be used over here, as you can see. So this is how you can troubleshoot your scene file and clean up the file and pass it on to the next department. Thank you.